Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vertical lines in Elementor. First, let's explore using column borders. Navigate to your column's advanced settings, then the Style tab. Here, you can set a border on one side, like the right or left. Adjust the width to a few pixels, perhaps 2 or 3, and choose your desired color. Ensure the border radius is set to 0 for a perfectly straight line. This method is quick and effective for simple divisions. Next, we'll use the dedicated divider widget. Simply drag and drop it onto your page where you need a vertical line. In the widget settings, you'll find an option to change its orientation from horizontal to vertical. You can then fine-tune its appearance, setting the weight to, say, 1 or 2 pixels, choosing a solid or dash style, and selecting any color you prefer. This offers more control over the line's design. Our third method involves the spacer widget. Place a spacer widget where you want your line. Go to its Style tab and set a background color, perhaps black or gray. Then, in the Advanced tab, set its width to a very small value, like 1 or 2%, and its height to 100%. Finally, add a border to one side of the spacer, making it appear as a distinct vertical line. This provides flexibility in placement. For more advanced customization, consider using custom CSS. This allows for pixel-perfect positioning and unique visual effects not available through standard settings. Always check how your vertical lines appear on different screen sizes, ensuring they remain responsive and visually appealing on mobile, tablet, and desktop. Experiment with padding and margins around your lines to achieve the perfect spacing and layout for your design. Happy designing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.